So here is a video of Promise Makunyane addressing you for the last time.
You're not believing me. I've said this and I'm saying it again. When I started the movement, my husband that, a year ago, 2 years ago, I've told you this, and those are still my words. I don't understand why now we still have to discuss cheating. Promise's husband is cheating. Promise's husband cheated. Guys, what must I do? Because I've told you. And that's why I want to tell you guys again. The reasons that will make me go out of my marriage will be my own reasons, other than cheating. There are other reasons that I can go out of my marriage for, other than cheating. The other big reason that I'll go out of my marriage is when my husband says, Kelo, and I've said this, I remember, I said, ke monga ditaba tlo ntšhanka mo le ena ampotsa re sesi ba sa rena ema mo fologa mo a kena choice so tlo ke fologe for whatever reason I can push her hair what to I'm put your one don't be better in your don't be or send you a step more because I don't have a choice more. I have to step out. And be rest assured, when I step out, whether because of my reason or my husband's reasons, I will cry. Give me time to cry because I'll be hating. I will cry and I'll come back and tell you that mukonu pasi mamu or ki emishe pasi mo because of 1 2 3 basadi barasho. Nena ke apa lor ke paletswe. Don't think that I'm not going to I'm not going to come back here and explain, but I won't just come and explain myself because I'll still be hating. I have to go through it. And don't ever think for a day in my life I'll come here and do divorce content. I believe in marriage. That's why I'm married. I believe in marriage. I'll never do divorce bitter content. Nah. So please, this is me saying, out there. When I started this, and I told you guys that my husband cheated and I did not leave. I did not leave. Now the very same cheating is being used as if it's an ammunition against me. But guys, it's me who said that. It's me who said that. And this is me saying, I'm giving you or whoever permission for years to come, for as long as I'm married, for you to post my husband, which is your boy, which will be your boyfriend or is your boyfriend. I don't know about you. I don't know about anyone. As I stand here, I don't know about anyone. So it will help you to introduce yourself to the world as my husband's girlfriend. So please, angene anyway. Akikene filo. And if unara ke tlo paka peke because of wena or lena. Le wrong. I don't mince my word when I speak. Whether little hey, what the self wara no, this self feeling jewe. Now my thing is this. Now my thing is this, and I've said it. The reasons that will take me out of my marriage will be my husband, Arawa girl, right, will be me with other reasons than this. And I'll come here and tell you. So please save this video. It will help you to save this video. So that you feel and this is me giving you a permission now going forward. Post them to because we spill on if now no post because it was spill with its nature now. The post a little content. When
One thing about Promise, indeed, she reminds me of Makunyane, Msaleka's third wife. Guys, if you don't have a thick skin here on social media, you're gonna just delete and walk away. Believe whatever you wanna believe. If you believe that a man has to have 2 wives, stand by that. Don't be shaken by whatever people are saying. If you believe in divorce gives you peace, do that. Because I see another conversation, there were also people that are calling that, she's a bitter woman because she is divorced. So first of all, she is a happy. That was a decision for her to get a divorce. No one else forced her to get a divorce. And Promise Makunyane, she is not getting any divorce. And cheating is not something that can make her to divorce her husband. She is happy with her husband. Maybe the finance are so good for her to live it. People believe when it comes to this thing, what I've noticed about here on social media. People believe, people love whatever they love. Some enter to a relationship for financial security, while others for love. There are a lot of men out there, they will want independent women, somebody who has a car. But if a woman says that I want a billionaire, and you guys gonna judge her and say, oh my god, you don't care about your future, you don't really, there's a lot of things that going on. I've noticed about social media, it is the fake. You choose your own peace, choose what love, choose what makes you happy. So I promise she is a happy woman. You can tell that she is happy, she is glowing, she's doing so well on her podcast. I mean, if the husband's cheating gives the opportunity to create, at the end of the day, people are creating content to make money. What is a content, guys? There are people that are doing a skin routine. They are not doctors, they are not lawyers. All they do is to take their camera and shoot videos about their skin. Are you gonna say that person does not have a life? If a person is gonna create a content about their marriage, are we saying this person does not have life outside marriage? What if that marriage is the one that gives them money for them? Remember, guys, if you go to social media and you look at it around, people are creating different kind of content. There are people that are dancers, people that they all they do is dance the whole day. Are we gonna say this person does not have a life? Some people are even 40s right now, they're still dancing, and that's how they earn their income. So this is how she make her own income. So I think she has said it all, man. She has said it all. I mean, as much as we might judge, if you don't believe in marriage, it's fine, that is up to you. If you believe in marriage, it's up to you also, guys. We are really old to judge a Promise Makunyane. She already explained so many times to us that she does not have a problem. If you're gonna come out, even if you create a YouTube channel saying I am dating Promise Makunyane's husband, she's not gonna have a problem with you, guys. There's nothing you can use against her, especially when it comes to cheating. If you're gonna go low, she will just go to up. She will always win. That's what she said. Hopefully people do understand. Like for me, I'm just saying that I think it's time we just accept that Promise, she is whoever she is. She's the girl that she thinks she is, and she's not going anywhere.